Do you remember the video I shared a few weeks back where I painted this wall in my living room? In today's video, I am making something for this wall. Since the ceiling is high, I bought a canvas as tall as me. First, I made a rough sketch and then I started painting it with oil colors. Art is therapeutic. But I must say that painting with oil colors is not only therapeutic but also incredibly satisfying. It's like meditation. Art has never been just strokes on a canvas for me. It's about capturing emotions. It's a space where I can truly be myself. My intention behind making this painting is that whenever I'm sitting in the living room, I should feel happy and positive. Since I painted Lotus on the wall, I am keeping that in mind for this painting as well, so that it looks like an extension to that wall. The lotus in the pond, the lady walking in the moonlight, and the shining moon. All that gives that beautiful vibe. Every time I look at this painting, I want to be reminded of the beauty and tranquility of nature. This painting is more than just a piece of art. It's a reflection of my inner world and a source of constant inspiration. It brings a sense of completeness to my living room, making it a sanctuary where I can unwind, reflect, and rejuvenate.